on the ground. So it could have looked me right straight in the eye.
Argentavis was 6 to 8 million years old. It weighed approximately 165 pounds and boasted a wingspan of 20 to 26 feet.
Their feathers would have been more like 5 feet long.
Like the beaks of eagles, condors, and other predatory birds, the long beaks of Argentavis and other teratorns are hooked. Most likely, these monsters could swallow prey the size of a small rabbit whole.
Birds that are related to teratorns are the New World vultures, such as the condor, the turkey vulture, the black vulture. We know this because the bones are very similar to one another, although they have their own distinctive trademarks.
And yet, teratorns dwarf these birds in size.
This is the humerus, which is the bone, your upper arm bone. And this is the humerus of Argentavis compared with that of a living California condor.
Argentavis wasn't the only winged giant. In 1972, the fossil of a pterosaur or flying reptile was found in Texas. It was named Quetzalcoatlus, after the feathered serpent Aztec god. With a wingspan of 40 feet, it was the largest flying reptile ever found. Experts say pterosaurs went extinct more than 65 million years ago. The last teratorn died more than 8 million years ago. But did they?